How to make Printify pop-up store cover banner. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. The first thing you want to do once you're on your Printify dashboard, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and select Store Settings. After selecting Store Settings, you're going to tap on Customize Store. Once you have done that, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option once more, and you're going to see the option Cover Banner. You're going to tap right there. You can see the specification for the cover banner is 1200 by 400 px. The platform that I would recommend you use to create your cover banner is none other than Canva. With Canva, you can get started for completely free, and it is beginner friendly and easy to use. Once on Canva, you're going to simply tap on Custom Size right below the search bar, and we're going to type in 1200 by 400. Then you're going to tap on Create New Design, as that is the specification, as you can see right there. Once you have done that, you'll be led to this page, and from here you could go over to the left hand menu option and you could upload whatever you would like to add onto the cover banner, or you could tap on elements and you could search for different elements. And a lot of the elements that are in Canva, it is beginner friendly and it is also copyright free, so you can use it. Or you could tap on design from the top left hand corner and you can see different designs that you could use. So let's say, for example's sake, I will just be using one of these designs, for example, and keep in mind that any one of the designs that you see with a crown, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use it. Now let's say we were to use this one. You can also replace the images that are on the banner by uploading your own by going over to the left hand menu option. You could select uploads and then just drag and place the image that you would like to replace. You can select the text, you can replace the text, and so on. Once you're finished, you'll tap on share in the top left hand corner, then select download, and you're going to tap on download once more. Once it has been downloaded, what I want you to do next is go back into Printify. Then you're going to tap on add banner image and you're going to select the image that you have created. Then tap on open and you can see our banner image has been added, as you can see right there. After doing that, if it is a case that you would like to add text over your banner, you can tap on banner header text. You can also tap on banner body text and you can see right there where it is, and you could add text right there if you want. Once you're finished, you're just going to tap on apply changes and it will save the changes, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.